Hello folks, and welcome to a laptop repair video. Yeah, it's kind of awkward, but anyway, this is the first time I ever show y'all a laptop repair video, and this one here is be pretty interesting because this is a Lenovo Thinkpad Yoga 11E. This is more of a kind of a casual computer computing laptop here. Has a Intel Celeron in 2940. 4 cores, 4 threads. Base speed is at 1.83 gigahertz with the max of 2.25 gigahertz. So yeah, it's not a lot of power to it there. So bought this as for parts are not working, and I did test it out and found something pretty interesting about this, so let's see how I can plug this in here. Kind of hard to do it one-handed. Yeah, it plays a little tune there. I mean, that kind of took me by surprise there when I plug it in, so yeah, it seems like it's working, and I think you notice the light there, and we flip it up there, and so yeah, this is what it looks like. Man, it looks like it's in good condition, apart from having this scrape up there. It also has a little ding right there, but that's not a problem with it there. So yeah, pretty small. I think it's about 12 inch monitor there. Yeah, screen there. So yeah, of course that tune there is a error code somehow. Kind of weird for those Lenovos there, and I have an app for it to diagnose what the problem is, but it didn't register the problem there. But I think I know what it is, and I pretty much know what it is there, and that is this laptop doesn't have a RAM and an SSD for it. So I think that music tone might indicate those two issues there. So, and I got those two recently, so we're gonna go ahead and install it. So let me unplug this there. Go flip this down, and this back cover is probably the easiest back cover to take off there. I mean, all you have to do is remove these 7 screws there, and this will pop out, and all you have to do is just slide it this way, and it'll reveal all the good stuff. So I'll see I can unscrew this while recording. It might be a challenge. So of course these screws stay in place of it, so you don't need to worry about grabbing the screws there. I see I can pop this out here. Come on. There we go. So yeah, that's what it looks like inside. I don't know about the battery or not. We'll figure that out later. So yeah, this is what the inside looks like. It actually looks pretty clean here. I mean, it looks like it's actually made it. Of course, this is all plastic stuff there, kind of cover up the stuff. So yeah, there's the RAM right there, and the max RAM it uses is 8 gigabytes of RAM. And it's DDR3, and it'll be clocked at 1333 megahertz there, so that's what I got for that. And this is the storage part of it. It's a M2 NVMe SSD slot there, and the max capacity of storage is 256 gigabytes. So yeah, like I said, it's kind of more of a casual computing type deal. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I'll grab those RAM and SSD, and we'll go ahead and get it installed. All right, managed to bring out these two lovely components here. Both of those are brand new. Here's the RAM, 8 gigabytes. Some weird company there. I know you can see that there. Yeah, I don't know why it's blurry. But, oh, there we go. Yeah, so there's 8 gigabytes, DDR3, 1333 megahertz. I know it doesn't say that, but I don't think it does send back. Okay, so. And Time Tech SSD, 256 gigabyte. Again, both maxed out there, so let's go ahead and get these installed. And go ahead and do RAM first. Flip it over here. I know I have to, let's see. Let's see if I can. Nope, I think I got it. Alright, got it in. There. Now this one's going to be tricky here, so let's see if I can do this one-handed. Alright. Alright. I have to use the other hand for that, so I use two hands. No big deal. Alright, got that secured. Guess we can pop this back on. We'll leave it like this. And let's see if this could be the culprit. Might play the same sound, but I think I might know what might have to do next. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, no display. Interesting. Doesn't have that noise there, so but no display. I guess we'll give it a few minutes. See if we'll do something. I'll see it. Oh, here we go. We have picture. Yes. We have picture. We have fixed this. You know what? Might as well go ahead and install the. I think it might have the. Got picture, folks. I'm going to install Windows and we'll be right back. There we go. Got Windows about to be installed. Here, so I think we fixed this, folks. Pretty simple, easy job, and now y'all know what that little melody tune is there. No RAM, no SSD. So yeah, I'll stop the video right here, and like a certain someone say, save no laptop. Okay, that was stupid. Anyway, hope y'all enjoy this video. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure you like, subscribe to see more of my videos, doing gameplays and other repair videos as well, hopefully in the future. got another laptop there. I'm kind of hoping to repair there and hopefully sell it like I'm gonna do with this one. I have no need for this there, so yeah, I'll go ahead and sell it there. Make some money off of it, make a profit. So if you're interested in getting this computer, you can probably go check out the eBay site or Macari there. Look for the name T-Ant on there and you'll see the laptop there. So yeah, there it is. We'll go ahead and boot Windows, and again, I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching, and hope you look forward to it and all that stuff. So long, everybody.